the new Aaliyah collection. Do we look like Aaliyah? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia Salvia. I have the brand new collection with Aaliyah and MAC. MAC for Aaliyah, Aaliyah for MAC. I think it's Aaliyah for MAC. So I feel like this has been a collection that MAC lovers and Aaliyah lovers have been waiting for years. Literally years. So the collection comes with 4 lipsticks, 4 glosses, 2 lip liners, an eyeshadow palette, as well as a bronzer. I'm gonna swatch all of those for you guys first. If you guys don't care about the swatches and you just want to see how I got this Aaliyah inspired look, then just jump ahead a little bit. But yeah, keep watching. So here is the little palette. We're gonna start off with some of these shades. I'm really not sure what type of look I'm gonna go for here. I went on Google and I took some pics of some looks. And to be honest with you, I understand why the collection is all these different colors. They're very 90s colors. So we have this image here, which is like a very, it almost looks purple, like a purple dark smoky eye with a little like red tinge in there. What the hell does tinge mean? With like a very red corally lip. And then we have a more natural Aaliyah. I kind of want to go for the more smoky because I feel like I could do a natural look any day. So let's go for it. Let's try to make this makeup work. We're gonna kind of focus on maybe this, I don't know. I really want this to be like super blown out. Taking this shadow and we're just gonna diffuse the shade of it. This is the Nevermore liner. This is ballsy what I'm about to do. Super ballsy. I'm just gonna make a thick line. I'm gonna take like a brush that looks like this and just blend that out the best that I can with one eye open. So I'm gonna keep diffusing this until I've got the liner almost hitting my crease. I cannot say that this is a fun blending job. I'm gonna do the same thing on the bottom. Purple is not my color, you guys. I mean, it is, but like I don't ever use purple. I'm actually very impressed how well though this lip liner, by the way, this is a lip liner, you guys, not an eyeliner, is blending out. I'm gonna take a little of the darker brown. And there's like a little space in between the lighter brown and the purple, and I'm just gonna put that in right there with like a small little brush. I'm gonna go into the lighter purple and I'm gonna use this to diffuse out the bottom. I know we're probably gonna have to do this again because I don't have concealer on. No biggie, my friends, no biggie. Then for the top, I'm gonna use this color. I'm gonna try to get this as close to my lash line as possible and then kind of blend it upward. And then take whatever purple's left on this brush and blend it out. Now I'm taking a little more of the dark purple to the bottom. Okay, you look very gothic now. I'm gonna take the silver. I'm actually gonna mix the silver with a little bit of the gold. This is gonna go right here, the inner corner, and just swipe whatever is left over on the brow bone. Okay guys, I'm back. I put on some of the, what is this? This is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara and the Baruch Luxe Lashes from Eylure. I felt like these were perfect because they kind of like stick out at the ends, and all the pictures that I'm seeing, like if you look at her lashes, they're like super curled at the end, so I tried. Now we're gonna move on to foundation. I'm just applying this CoverGirl smoothing primer all over my big ass head. For foundation, I have Due, because I really wanted to wear this Lancome, but it's probably too light for me, so we're gonna mix some of the Cover FX Power Play with it to kind of balance it out. Using my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm gonna try out the bronzer now. This bronzer is called Baby Girl. Maybe a little dark for me, but we're gonna make it work. Oh, no, actually this works very well. Good thing I got a tan. Before I apply a highlighter or anything like that, I'm going to spray my MAC Fix Plus Pink Light. Gonna add a little bit of a pinky glow to my face. So I'll be honest with you guys, I don't think Aaliyah wore really like any type of glow products, but we can't do this and not put some glow into it. Okay guys, we're gonna try to go for this lip here. Alright guys, that's it for my MAC Aaliyah Collection. I feel like I don't know what to call it. The Aaliyah for MAC Collection review and swatches. I hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed this tutorial. This is not normally a look that I would do. I wanted to challenge myself a little bit and also stay true to kind of like the 90s, if you know what I mean. But I feel like I went for, this is kind of like some vampy vibes here. But that's it for this tutorial. Thank you again so much for watching. Comment down below your favorite 90s song. Let's reminisce a little bit. That's the word, right? Reminisce?
Reminisce.
Reminisce. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and check out my other videos. Don't miss out on anything coming up, so make sure to hit the notification bell. I love you guys. I'll see you soon.